My name is Marla Alt, and I have had the wonderful experience of taking Kathy McShane's Ladies Who Launch. Why I took it was to help develop marketing for my company, 123 Organize, and I knew that Kathy was the right one to help me. She is a phenomenal leader. She has great expertise, experience, and wonderful people skills. So when you combine the smart and savvy, it works. It motivates you, and it makes you feel that you are getting to the next stage of your business that probably felt overwhelming, but now is tangible, and you can do it, and you do it through her and through the great camaraderie of the group. Choosing a mastermind was a life-altering decision for my business. I would recommend it to anyone who wants to further themselves and have more successes.